ladies and gents. How are we? It's Full Face here, coming at you live and direct from Bunbury, Western Australia, as always. Nice little afternoon got here, really. Oh. It's quite chilly, but there's a nice view, so it makes up for it. Nice little boat on the horizon. Probably can't even see that. So how have we all been? I hope good. What's new? Post it in the comments. Got an iPhone photographer there. Just getting out for a bit of a ride after work. I've actually got about 10 minutes before I have to get home. And I thought I'd just roll the GoPro and see what happens. That was weird. That was really weird. It just like jumped out of gear. Don't make a habit of that. Oh, fuck! Oh, I thought I was gonna get him then. Oh, fuck! That'll teach me. So yeah, what's been happening, guys? Not much new with me. Been working flat out, and on the channel side of things, I've been trying to get one video finished for the last week and a half. It's really annoying me, and I've just been constantly hitting brick walls. I've pretty much got the solution now, and I'm about to fix it. And I've just run clean out of hard drive space. So I've just acquired another hard drive from a friend. He doesn't need it, he's got a spare 1 terabyte. I'm going to load that up with footage for you guys and be making a lot more videos. That's what's really been holding me back. Probably the last couple of months, to be honest, because every time I want to make a video, I have to either delete some stuff or shift some stuff around or find some way to... I've even been putting stuff on flash drives and putting them in the drawer just so I can get a couple of videos out. So this little extra bit of hard drive space is hopefully going to speed things up and get things moving along a lot, and I'll be able to get a lot more videos out there. So I'm going to pick that up right now. And then it will be all go. And besides that, I just haven't had a lot of time, really. I've been sort of flat out with work and the weather. The weather has probably been a big part, because it has been absolutely pissing down lately. And as much as I don't mind riding in the rain at all, hey, there's me mate. It's no good for vlogging because, one, I'm scared of water getting in through the microphone port, although I've sealed it up so damn good that I can almost guarantee it's not. I'm pretty sure I could submerge it and it'll be fine, but I'm a little bit wary of that. And I still haven't got some wet weather pants yet, so although my top half's generally fine and it doesn't really get colder or wet or anything like that, after about half an hour my legs get saturated and then it gets very, very cold. Don't kill me, thank you. And yeah, and it has smartened its act a fair bit, because it's possibly light chance of showers tomorrow, and then it's supposed to be good, so we'll be getting a few more videos out. And that's just a little quick update from me and why it's been sort of slow on the videos lately, well, basically from the get-go. GoPro being GoPro doesn't take hard drive space lightly, really. And the other camera I run is a DSLR, and that's 3 times worse. So any video usually takes, 7 gigabytes of hard drive space, and I'm down to nothing. I've been down to nothing for months, so this is gonna fix it. Full face out, guys.